Have you ever taken a hard look at your credit card statement and felt a sense of dread? You're not alone. This feeling is a common companion for many when they see their mounting credit card debt. It's a financial burden that can affect your economic well-being and future planning. Addressing this issue promptly is crucial, as ignoring it only deepens the financial hole. But there's hope. The first step to overcoming credit card debt is understanding how to reduce it effectively. It's time to take control and start reducing your credit card debt. Here are some practical tips to help you. Firstly, let's talk about paying more than the minimum payment each month. If you're only paying the minimum, it can take years to pay off your balance, and that's not even taking into account the interest you'll accumulate. Therefore, it's crucial to pay more than the minimum whenever possible. This reduces your debt faster and saves you money and interest. Secondly, prioritize your high-interest debts. Not all debts are created equal. Some have high interest rates, which means they cost you more over time. Make a list of your debts, starting with the highest interest rate down to the lowest. Focus on paying off the highest interest first, while still making minimum payments on the others. This method, known as the avalanche method, can save you a significant amount in interest over time. Thirdly, consider consolidating your debts. This means taking out a loan to pay off all your credit card debts, leaving you with just one payment to worry about. The idea here is to get a loan with a lower interest rate than your credit cards, which can save you money over time. However, this step should be taken cautiously as it requires discipline to avoid racking up new credit card debt. The fourth tip is to avoid new debt. This might seem obvious, but it's worth repeating. If you're trying to pay down debt, avoid adding new charges to your credit cards. If you need to, leave your credit cards at home to avoid the temptation of impulse buying. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. There's no shame in asking for help if you're struggling to manage your debts. Credit counseling agencies can provide valuable advice and can even help you develop a debt management plan. Remember, these steps are not a quick fix, but a journey towards financial freedom. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We've underlined the significance of tackling credit card debt head-on, not letting it fester or grow. We've also shared some practical strategies to help reduce it, such as budgeting, prioritizing high-interest debts, and considering debt consolidation. Remember, these aren't quick fixes. They require consistency and dedication. You have the power to reduce your credit card debt and improve your financial health. Start today, and remember, every step, no matter how small, counts towards your financial freedom.